Guys, I have two packages here that I want to try and check what is in it. What just arrived? Let's. This is for Liam, I guess. This is for Liam. Yeah, it's for Liam. It's so beautiful. My goodness. Oh, it's 9 to 12 months. So every clothes that I buy for Liam, it's 9 to 12 months. It looks so nice. So nice. I love this one more. Liam, you have something here to wear. 12 months. 12 months is written on it. That's great, Liam. That looks so beautiful. I'll fold the legs. He's going too tall, too big. He's going too big. Ah, it's this one. Something smelling like a soap. Why does he have that? It's supposed to be rosemary oil, but I got a rosemary oil that I was thinking that will help very well with hair. But it's smelling like soap. For my hair here, where I'm losing hair. Smelling like a soap. Okay. Let's see if it's gonna work. I think I got about 6 of it or 3 packs. Yeah, 6 of it. Something for winter, for cold. I'm gonna have a date, so I need something like a tight. So I got this, like a tie just to wear on my gown. And I got this set for Heavenly. A skirt pants. Also very warm. You know, some of you are always like, why is he dressing so cold? So like summer. It's actually not a summer dressing. There's always something inside to keep them warm. So I just see this skirt and I love it. And then I said, let me order it. I hope she's gonna like it. I hope she's gonna like it. What else is this one right here? Oh, for Aria. Also very warm. Also very warm. It looks so nice. And it looks like a very great quality. See that? Looks like a very lovely quality. Yeah, then I got something for Liam's food, because Liam doesn't like a strainer, for his food. He doesn't like food with lumps. So when I cook for him, and especially when I'm making something with green peas, with the green peas, and I see that he always have stuff on it, and I have to use this to filter it out, to pass it through the food, so that the food will have no lumps, because he doesn't like anything with that. So that's why I got this one. And I got a towel. It looks so soft. It looks so soft. Goes on home. It's a 3 pieces towel. Oh, very soft. I have to see how it's going to how well I can manage it before I can order more of it. Oh, how many is on it? 2. Two-hand towel or face towel, and a semi-big one. Yeah, so I got 2-hand towel and 2 semi-big ones. Big. Big. I want to change my towels. Normally I use white towels, but I want to change them, and I think I want to go for gray, but I have to check if it's something I'm gonna like, and if it's gonna also last. Okay, thank God. I thought this was something that can just peel off, but it's not. It's not. It's gonna last. Looks like the towel is really gonna last, because what I was expecting is something that is peeling, but it's not. It's a thread. They sew it on it. So what degrees of washing? Is there no instruction? No, don't do that. Is there no instructions? What towel doesn't give instruction of washing? Normally there is always a temperature, but on this there is no temperature. Normally I wash my white towels. I wash them on 60 degrees. I wash them on 60 degrees, very hot. I guess I ordered something else that is not here. Anyway, that is what I have for today. So come here. Come here, you. Come here, you. Look at him. Look at that big guy. Hey, big guy. Hey, big guy. So, I don't know why some of you are like, Liam is staying too much on my back, or I hold him too much. He's not going to walk. He's not going to crawl. He's not going to do this. He's not going to do that. The fact is, you guys, I always tell you guys see a little from my day, and that little is the time that I am not there with him. Okay, for example, where am I shutting this thing now? On the floor, right? Where is he? On the floor. Now the time I want to cook, I'm not there to stay on the floor with him, or to stay with, or put him on his car or on his chair. I'm not there to stay with him. Definitely he's not going to stay, because I'm not there with him. But when I'm here with him, he stays. And if I have to cook, I'm not there to stay with him. Ashley is not ready to watch after him. Heavenly is ready to watch after him, but because I'm not there with him, he will be crying, right? He will be crying because I am not there with him. But the truth is, you see him standing. Did you see him standing and laying on me without me not holding him? He's even using one hand to block to hold me. Just one hand. Do you see that? He's using just one hand to hold me while he's standing. He leave me for less than a second. You guys want Liam to walk? I've been walking. I responded to somebody and said, I'll be walking and I'm tired of walking. Walking. So let the boy be. He's a type that wants his mama. He's a type that I have to be there for him. I have to be with him. That is the kind of baby he is. That doesn't mean that he doesn't have time to play or he doesn't have time to do whatever. We always put something on the floor and play. Now I know what have not arrived because there's something I put, because if I'm not here, he will be crawling away. Like he uses his stomach to move away. He will draw with his stomach. He can even get to the door with his stomach when he sees something. He dragged himself. I posted a video whereby he was here, the next minute he was there. I posted that video. So Liam he can even sit. You see him, he can turn by himself, sit down. Liam is already sitting by himself, which is when you lay him down, he can move, get up, and sit down by himself. So tell me, what is a new baby doing that he's not doing? Every child has its own time. Yes, I even believe that Liam is going to walk on time. As if it's not too good to me. So walking is not an issue. Even Ashley that was not glued to me. Like, how will I say it? He was playing. He played. He walked within 1 year and 3 months, something like that. 1 year and 3 months. Yes. Aria also walked 1 year and 1 month or 1 year and 2 months. I don't quite remember. Heavenly and Richard, they are the only child I've walked very fast. Richard already started walking before his birthday. Heavenly already started walking before her birthday also. So if he walked before his birthday or he walked before 1 year and 3 months or 1 year and 5 months, it doesn't matter. The thing is, he is still going to walk, isn't it? He's not going to anywhere. He's not going to work. He's not going to shop. He's not going to supermarket on his own to go and shop. So where should I be in? Why should he be in hurry to meet up with his mate? As in, what is his mate doing with the walking they are walking? A child, some kids might delay in walking, delay in talking, delay in different things. Doesn't mean that they won't meet up in future. Nothing has delayed them for the future. The only thing is they love to. The only thing is they love. I want to let him to get up by himself. I'm just only holding him. Give it to me. He wanted that. The only thing is the only delay. For a moment, I thought he's forgetting himself. You know, when he forgets himself, he stands on his own. And for a moment, I thought he was forgetting himself. And he was very lightweight. You know, when they forget themselves, they are lightweight. Like, they don't put weight on themselves. They are lightweight, and then they can do whatever they want to do. Yes. And very soon, he's going to be doing all of this that you people are asking. You see that? They're going to be doing all of those things that you people are wanting him to do. Don't worry. He's only 7 months old. No delay. Liam is fast even. For 7 months old, he's fast enough for his age. So stop talking about you carry him too much. He won't do. You see me carry him when he's eating or when he's when I'm cooking. Which, yes, I feel pity for my back. You know why I feel more pity for my back? Because I had epidural when I gave birth to Ashley. I have epidural when I gave birth to Ashley. I was in 3 days in labor. 3 days in labor, and I couldn't take it anymore, so I had to take epidural. And now that is the only thing I'm scared of, that my back shouldn't be hurting while I carry this heavyweight champion. Yes, heavyweight champion. Is that not what you are? Huh? Liam is heavyweight champion. Is that so? Is that so? Very soon he will be on his own walking. So you guys shouldn't be too like you carry him too much. When is he gonna work? When is he gonna crawl? When is he gonna stand? He will do all of that when he's ready. Okay? Let Liam take his time. When he start walking, he will never stop walking. Anything that makes him to start walking, no bags. Anything that makes him to start walking now, he won't stop anymore. He also play with me on the floor, so don't worry. Cool down. Did he stand up by himself, guys? For a child that you said he doesn't sit, he doesn't do anything, I always carry him. Did he just stand up by himself? Liam, practice it more. Practice it more. I like you to practice it more. He doesn't want to stay. Don't hold my cloth. Hold me. No, not my cloth. He's like, why did you drop me? Why did... Okay. He wants to stand. He wants to stand. What? Angry. He's angry. Sorry. It was mommy's fault. Sorry. That sorry is not going to end anymore. But I'm saying sorry. Sorry now. You see how you get angry? This is how Liam get angry. Sorry. He's like, let me pinch this your mouth. Let me pinch your mouth. I'm laughing. Is he laughing? Did you know that I have this for over 10 years now, for 11 years? 11 years, because I bought this before Ashley was born. So, and in the next 2 months, Ashley will be 11. So for 11 years, I've had this. 11 years. Ada, try this. Try this on.